The custom-built GMC Savana Expedition van featured in this video is more than just a vehicle, it's a powerful expression of freedom, rugged innovation, and modern luxury built for serious overland adventures. Whether you're navigating the open highways of the US or winding through the scenic routes of Europe, this van offers everything you need to live and travel in comfort while embracing the off-grid lifestyle. Built on the reliable and time-tested GMC Savana platform, this expedition-ready conversion takes the van to a whole new level. The exterior is finished in a bold matte gray coating that not only enhances its aggressive, stealthy presence but also provides added durability for off-road conditions. A lifted suspension system, matched with oversized all-terrain tires mounted on matte black beadlock wheels, ensures this van is ready to handle rugged trails, dirt roads, and mountainous terrain without compromising safety or performance. The front end boasts a reinforced steel bumper with a powerful integrated winch, offering peace of mind when traveling solo or in remote areas. One of the standout features of this build is the integrated roof system, which includes high-efficiency solar panels and a pop-top sleeping compartment. This elevated sleeping area allows for greater interior space while providing a cozy, ventilated sleeping environment under the stars. Side-mounted gearboxes, utility ports, and a custom rear bumper with dual spare tires make this van not only stylish but fully functional for long-term travel and overland living. Inside, the transformation is breathtaking. Step into a warm, thoughtfully designed space where rugged functionality meets refined aesthetics. The interior is lined with natural wood accents, modern cabinetry in matte finishes, and ambient LED lighting throughout. A smart kitchenette includes an induction cooktop, stainless steel sink, under-counter fridge, and cleverly integrated storage compartments. Opposite, a plush leather bench setup converts seamlessly into a full-size bed, offering both seating and sleeping solutions without wasted space. The pop-top roof above reveals a secondary sleeping loft with soft bedding and a skylight for stargazing. What truly elevates this build is its smart tech integration. The dashboard has been modernized with a large touchscreen infotainment center, full navigation, and off-road telemetry. A digital control panel manages solar input, battery monitoring, water levels, lighting zones, and climate control, all from a central, easy-to-use system. Driver and passenger seats are upgraded with bolstered leather upholstery and heating, ensuring a comfortable ride in all climates. This vehicle is designed for people who dream of more than short weekend trips. It's made for those who seek extended adventures without compromising comfort or capability. If you've ever imagined living off-grid in a high-performance, beautifully built machine, this Savana proves that it's entirely possible. Built for the demands of North American wilderness and the narrow roads of Europe alike, it's truly a global expedition vehicle. Watch the full video and see every angle, every finish, and every innovation up close. Subscribe and join us for more premium van life and overland builds at https://youtube.com/@ar-autolux?si=sign 8NN1LBFB0NV6YBTS